Pictory versus Veed.io, which AI tool is better for video editing? That's the question we're diving into today. With so many AI tools out there, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. If you're looking for a way to edit videos quickly and effectively, stay tuned because I'll break down each tool's strengths and weaknesses, and by the end, you'll know which one might be the best fit for your needs. First up, let's talk about Pictory. It's a great AI-powered tool for creating videos from text. You can take your blog posts, scripts, or articles and turn them into video content in minutes. One of the things I like about Pictory is its ability to automatically generate captions, which is perfect for making your videos more accessible and engaging. It's also really good for summarizing long content into bite-sized videos, ideal for social media or creating video snippets for ads. But here's the catch: while it's great for text-to-video and basic editing, it's not as flexible as some other options when it comes to more detailed customization. You can't adjust every aspect of your videos like you can with more traditional editing software. Next thing, let's talk about Veed.io. Veed is an all-around solid online video editor, and it has a lot of features for creating and editing videos without needing advanced skills. The interface is clean and simple, making it easy for beginners to jump in. You get access to a variety of templates, audio options, and even automatic subtitles. Plus, it's pretty good at handling things like adding text overlays and transitions. However, while Veed.io is a solid tool, it doesn't have the same depth as desktop software or even some competitors in the online space. The free version has limits that might hold you back, especially if you need HD export or access to all the features. The fourth thing worth mentioning is the pricing model. Both Pictory and Veed.io offer subscription plans, and while Veed.io is slightly more affordable for beginners, Pictory can get a little pricey, especially when you unlock its full features. That being said, Pictory is definitely better if you're specifically looking for text-to-video and automation features, while Veed.io offers more flexibility for general video editing needs. Another point to consider is the speed and ease of use. Pictory tends to be faster in generating videos from text-based content, but it could leave you frustrated if you're someone who likes to tweak every detail. Veed.io, on the other hand, lets you dive in and make quick adjustments, but it might not have that same lightning-fast processing time when you're working on more complex edits. Lastly, here's the big one. After trying both tools myself, I can honestly say they each have their strengths, but neither is perfect. If you want a truly all-in-one, AI-powered solution that gives you flexibility, speed, and power, without the limitations I've mentioned here, you might want to consider a better alternative. There's a free trial available through the first link in the description, and by using my link, you'll get exclusive benefits and the best trial offer available to our viewers. Both Pictory and Veed.io are good tools, but if you're looking for the best all-around video editing solution that can handle all types of projects with ease, make sure you take advantage of the trial. Check it out through the link below.